Do you ever feel like life is passing you by? Like you're behind schedule while everyone else is moving ahead at a quick pace? In Isaiah 60:22, we are reminded, "A little one shall become 1,000, and a small one a strong nation. I, the Lord, will hasten it in its timing." If you feel behind, remember that delay is not denial. There is nothing too hard for the God that we serve. It actually reminds me of Thanos in the Avengers when he snaps his fingers and it's done. God doesn't operate on our logical time frame. He is a God of suddenlies. And when he determines to do a thing, it will happen at the exact moment that God intended, so you never have to worry about it. The Bible says that we should not despise small beginnings, whether in life, business, or ministry, because ultimately God is in control. We should feel confident enough to trust that God can and He will multiply everything that He is entrusted to us. When things feel slow, you can trust that God's promises will come to pass in the perfect moment. Now, I know that can feel hard sometimes in a world of likes, shares, comments, and influencers, but organic growth is slow, but it's transforming, and you learn so much along the way. When God is ready to move, it doesn't matter what door is shut to you. If it's for you, He will open it. The question is, will you be positioned and ready to allow God to use you as His kingdom grows? Remember, God isn't a slow God. He's a strategic God. Thanks for joining me for 1 Minute on Purpose.